How to fix login or network issues on Indodax. First of all, open the app on your device. If you are having trouble logging in or facing network errors, don't worry. This guide will help you fix it quickly. Start by checking your internet connection to ensure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Try switching between networks if needed. Close and reopen the app or force stop it from your device settings and relaunch. Make sure you are entering the correct email and password. If you forgot your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it. For accounts with two-factor authentication, check that your Google Authenticator app or SMS verification is working correctly. If the app still crashes or freezes, clear the cache and data from your device settings. Also check for any available app updates in the Google Play Store or App Store. Outdated versions can cause login or network issues. If the problem persists, it may be due to the server maintenance or outages. Wait and try again later or contact the Indodax support team via the help center in the app. Now you know how to fix login or network issues on Indodax. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.